I'm about to walk you through how to fully utilize ConnecTeam. This platform is a powerhouse, whether you're running a small startup or managing a large organization. It offers a complete set of tools for handling everything from internal communication and scheduling to task delegation, time tracking, HR processes, and even onboarding and training. You can keep everyone connected, aligned, and productive with just one tool. Whether you're managing a remote team or an in-house crew, ConnecTeam streamlines all these functions into one cohesive system. So, let's dive in and explore all the features that will make your team run smoother. To kick things off, you'll need to sign up for ConnecTeam. Hit the Get Started button, and you'll be asked for some basic info like your name, business email, and a password. Once you've submitted your details, you might need to verify your email address, so just pop into your inbox and click on the confirmation link. Now that you're in, ConnecTeam will guide you through the app's customization process. Start by entering your company name and selecting your role. Then, provide a bit more detail about your company, including industry and size. The fun part comes next. You'll tell ConnecTeam exactly how you plan to use the platform. Is it for time tracking? Scheduling shifts? Managing employee tasks? Maybe employee engagement or HR functions. You can select multiple options, depending on what your business needs most. If you've got a company logo, you can upload it now. If not, don't worry, you can always do that later. There's also an option to add a phone number for notifications, so you stay up to date. Once everything is filled in, you can download the ConnecTeam app to your phone or desktop, and you're ready to go. Whether you're managing a small team or a large one, this setup process will have everything in place for smooth operations. And with all the customization options, you can be sure that ConnecTeam will fit your business needs perfectly. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is basically the heart of everything. ConnecTeam makes it super easy to manage everything with a clean, at-a-glance view of what's happening. Right there on your dashboard, you have quick action buttons to help you get started fast. You can easily add new users by entering their details, create tasks in seconds if something needs to be assigned, or send quick updates to the team. Need to gather some info? You can create forms in no time. There's also a chat feature so you can stay in touch with everyone instantly. On the left-hand side, there's a menu that organizes everything else you might need. You've got the overview section, where you can check in on your company's progress and key metrics. The activities section shows you all the recent updates, so you're always in the loop. You can manage users, including their roles and permissions, and smart groups let you filter and group your employees based on things like their department or team, making everything way more organized. There's also a documents section where you can store and access important files, so everything you need is always easy to find. What's really cool about ConnecTeam is that it's designed to be intuitive, so you won't have to waste time figuring out where things are. Whether you're trying to assign a new task, check in on team activities, or organize your documents, everything is where you need it. Plus, because it's all in one place, you'll be able to streamline your processes and focus on the things that matter most, like keeping your team productive and engaged. Overall, ConnecTeam is built to make your life easier, helping you stay organized, communicate effortlessly, and manage your team with ease, no matter the size of your business. One of the first things you'll want to do when setting up your ConnecTeam account is add your users. Whether you're bringing in admins, employees, or contractors, adding them is a quick process. Head to the Users section on your dashboard, and you'll be able to easily invite new members by entering their email addresses. Each user can be assigned specific roles, like admin or standard user, depending on what level of access they need within the system. For instance, as an admin, you'll have full control over user permissions, settings, and other features, while regular users will have more limited access to certain functions. It's a simple but powerful way to make sure that only the right people have access to sensitive information or critical settings. Additionally, you can make use of smart groups, which allow you to categorize your users based on different filters. Imagine you have a team working in the New York branch of your company. You could create a smart group for everyone in that location, allowing you to communicate and assign tasks specifically to them. This not only saves time but also ensures that you're not overwhelming other teams with irrelevant information. Time tracking is an essential feature in ConnecTeam, and setting it up is a breeze. To get started, just click on Activate Time Clock from your dashboard. This will enable the time tracking feature for all of your employees, allowing you to monitor work hours, shifts, and overtime with ease. Once activated, you'll have the option to customize work hours for each day, which is great if your team works on flexible schedules or has varying shifts. For example, you can set different working hours for weekdays versus weekends, or establish specific daily work limits to ensure no one exceeds their allotted hours. This feature helps you keep a close eye on your team's working time and avoid any unnecessary overtime costs. You can also set geolocation tracking, meaning employees can only clock in or out when they're at a designated work location. This is especially useful if you have teams working on-site at different client locations or remote workers that need to log their time accurately. With geolocation, it ensures that time entries are genuine and accurate, improving accountability. Scheduling is another area where ConnecTeam really shines, especially if you have shifts to manage or tight project deadlines to meet. Whether you're managing a retail team, a project-based workforce, or a remote team with varying schedules, ConnecTeam's scheduling tools make it easy to stay organized and keep everything running smoothly. To create a new shift, you simply click New Shift and enter the shift details such as the time, job title, and the user assigned to the shift. You can also add extra notes to provide your employees with any additional information about the task or expectations. This is especially helpful if you need to provide more context, like specific instructions or safety guidelines for a particular job. You're not limited to creating just one shift per day either. Feel free to schedule multiple shifts on a single day to accommodate various teams or employees. Plus, if something changes, you can quickly edit the shift details, move it around, or reassign it to another team member. ConnecTeam's flexibility means you can always adjust to last-minute changes without the hassle. One of the standout features of ConnecTeam is its ability to streamline document management through custom forms. Whether you're dealing with vacation requests, sick leave submissions, or any other type of documentation, this platform makes it simple to create, manage, and track forms with ease. You can start by selecting Create Form and choosing from a broad range of pre-designed templates offered by ConnecTeam. For instance, if you're creating a vacation request form, the platform provides a template to guide you. From there, you can tailor it to suit your needs by adding fields like start date, end date, and destination. You have the flexibility to include additional questions, such as asking employees if they plan to return to work right after their vacation or if they need any special accommodations during their time off. Custom fields allow for a high level of personalization, ensuring that every necessary detail is captured. After your form is ready, you can assign it to specific team members, schedule automated reminders for deadlines, and track all submissions in real time. If you need the employee to address any particular point, you can easily add tasks or comments directly on the form. This ensures that nothing is missed and that you have a clear record of communication. With ConnecTeam's form management system, you can simplify administrative processes, maintain organized documentation, and enhance workflow efficiency, making it an essential tool for HR and team management. Managing employee tasks becomes incredibly efficient with ConnecTeam. The platform enables you to easily assign tasks to individual users or specific teams, ensuring that everyone knows what they need to accomplish. For instance, you could create a task titled Follow Up with Client X and assign it to the designated team member responsible for client communications. You can also set deadlines, attach relevant labels for organization, and include additional subtasks to break down larger objectives into smaller, manageable steps. This feature is perfect for handling both minor requests and more complex projects. Quick tasks help streamline day-to-day operations by allowing you to delegate and track work without getting bogged down in excessive details. Whether it's sending an email, completing a report, or attending a meeting, each task can be tracked with clear deadlines and priorities. Furthermore, ConnecTeam offers the ability to schedule tasks, which allows you to automate reminders and notifications for important milestones. This feature helps ensure that nothing slips through the cracks, and progress can be monitored in real time. It also promotes collaboration, as users can leave comments or ask questions directly within each task. With these tools, ConnecTeam keeps your workflow organized and ensures that your team stays on track and productive, no matter how large or small the task at hand. Beyond task management, ConnecTeam is also great for communication and engagement. You can use the chat feature to message employees individually or in groups. And with the updates feature, you can quickly share important media, files, and announcements with your team. The directory feature allows employees to easily find and contact colleagues across the organization. So whether you need to reach someone about a project or send out a quick announcement, ConnecTeam makes it easy to stay connected. For storing important company documents, whether they're onboarding materials, policies, or contracts, ConnecTeam has a dedicated documents section. You can upload and organize all your files here, making it easy for your team to access whatever they need.